FADS, Free Analytics Daily Share. We're going to use stats to command on the desk ports, putting it all together. This is part 3 of this project of using stats commands on destination ports to derive fingerprinting on a network. And now we put all those commands in here. We have a min, a max, a range, a average, a median, a mode, count. I have taken out the difference and the absolute difference. You can put them back in, but you got to pick and choose what you want to see. There's a lot of data there. So anyway, things I can do here, if I run this, first off, maybe I want to go, let's go eliminate the desk ports equals 0. Other things we can do, let's say I want a high range. So I'm going to go search range is greater than, let's go 1,000. Put that in there. It's got to be range desk port. And I can start to sort these things by looking at what's going on them, get some ideas, get some good big high range. This is a good example of a machine that's a web server, but it's definitely also answering on some higher ports. So that would indicate it's not just your traditional web server out there. This one here is all high ports. This one's got, I can actually tell you what this is. I hope you guys can recognize it. Anything on my network, it responds on port 22 and 9997. Good indication that this is my my Splunk instance. Anyway, 1900 to 3702. That's kind of an interesting range there. Might want to go find a little bit more about that information. Looking at based off that, what's my mode? It says 1900, so it uses that a lot. I wonder what port 1900 is used for. I can start doing some driving in, start doing some Google search, get some digging into these machines. I probably wouldn't spend too much time on this since it's external to my network, but maybe I want to. Anyway, I hope this is helpful. Um, there's a lot of cool statistics you can do, some fingerprinting, things like that, just by changing up here. Maybe you want to have, it's got to have a certain number of count. Maybe you want min destination port greater than a certain thing. Now you can just keep changing up your searches. To me, I think having a dashboard where you can have all these numbers and change them would provide some really interesting insight to this information. But the sky's the limit on things you want to do. Hope this helps you move from being a lame analyst to a Splunk ninja, and hope you keep coming back.